A luxurious 1,600 square feet Airbnb divided into 3 sections to cater to different needs. The first section is on both floors, shaping the vibe of the Airbnb rental. A black metal stair railing with a high gloss finished wooden floor design, complemented by a wooden table. Cozy and well-lit living room with a warm and inviting ambience. It features a brown leather sofa set arranged around a centerpiece placed into the television. This balcony is perfect for relaxing or enjoying a morning coffee on the outdoor furniture. As we enter into the hallway, the first room is on the left. The wooden ceiling adding a touch of vintage. The walls are painted in a soft rose pink, elegantly contrasting the blackout curtains, which add a dramatic flair. The room features a queen-size bed, modern nightstand, a metal wardrobe rack, and an AC unit. Which leads into an immaculately clean bathroom with a blend of comfort. The vanity area is a focal point, boasting sleek vessel sink that sits atop a polished granite countertop. The flooring uses a light beige tile, gentle texture. The shower features a mounted shower head and a handheld sprayer for convenience. The second room on the right offers similar amenities for your maximum comfort. The master bedroom is spacious and well lit, with a calming and sophisticated ambience thanks to its sage green walls. The lighting with a central ceiling fan adds a style and ensures the room stays bright. The floor combines a rich tone of caramel, chestnut and espresso in a pattern layout. This striking floor gives the room a polished upscale vibe. The washroom features a shower, bathtub, toilet and double sinks. Also includes your personal balcony. Heading downstairs is a cozy living room with a stylish design. The room has 2 sofas, an L-shaped sectional with a 2-seater with a wooden table at the center and a flat screen for entertainment. The walls are painted light grey with a gold trim along the ceiling border, adding a touch of elegance. The laundry area is equipped with a washer, dryer and hot and cold system. In the hallway, there is a marvelous dining table that can accommodate 6 persons. This kitchen is where time slows down just enough to savor the process of creating delicious meals and where laughter echoes. The second section of the Airbnb is a modern studio-style living space. The area features a backup electrical supply system and serves as a storage space. The grey kitchen island with a white countertop serves as a prep area or dining space with essential kitchen items. The dark blue love seat sits on top of a red and gold area rug to match the accent wall. The bright orange accent wall adds a bold splash of color, followed by a floating white shelf. Stepping into the third unit, where every inch is a thoughtful design to make life easy and comfortable. The moment you walk in, your eyes are drawn to the vibrant blue walls, that give the space a peaceful vibe. The sleeping area is furnished with a soft bed and linen. With a seamless flow into the kitchen, an island for dining and sleek cabinets and modern appliances stands ready for any meal you dream of. Storage is smartly integrated into the space to suit your needs. The space is punctuated by a touch of soft grey that reflect light and open up the room.